Experiencing a high-pitched sound like whistling or squealing in your right AirPod Pro 3? This is often due to acoustic feedback caused by an imperfect seal between the ear tip and your ear canal. The sound from the AirPod's speaker leaks back into the microphone, creating a feedback loop amplified by active noise cancellation, ANC. This is more common in the right AirPod because ear canal shapes can be asymmetrical, and right-handed users may not see it as well. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 firmware is up to date. Apple releases updates to address these issues. Next, clean your ear tips with a soft, dry cloth to remove any earwax or debris disrupting the seal. Experiment with different ear tip sizes to find the best fit for your ear. Finally, try resetting your AirPods by holding the setup button on the charging case for 15 seconds. These steps should resolve most seal-related feedback issues. If basic steps don't work, temporarily disable active noise cancellation to check if the noise disappears. This indicates ANC-related feedback needing a better seal. Check your iPhone settings for microphone or sensor faults. Go to Settings, General, About, AirPods. Use diagnostic tools in AirPods settings to check for hardware defects. Visit Apple Store or call support to recalibrate the microphone. Have them test the audio fidelity of the device. If none work, contact Apple support or visit a store for replacement. Experts say 80% of issues are user-resolvable with proper fit and education. Remember, proper fit and user education are key to resolving these issues.